This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your garage door opener remote. First, locate the Learn or SRT button on your garage door opener's motor unit. This crucial button is usually found on the back or side of the unit. It's often colored red, orange, green, purple, or yellow, making it easier to spot. You might need a sturdy stepladder to safely reach the motor unit, as it's typically mounted on the ceiling. Once you've found the Learn button, press and hold it down firmly. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 to 30 seconds. This extended press is vital for clearing the opener's memory. You'll know it's working when the indicator light on the motor unit turns off. This light turning off confirms that all previously programmed remotes have been successfully erased from the system. After releasing the Learn button, it's time to verify that the erase was successful. Take the remote you intended to erase and attempt to operate your garage door. The door should no longer respond to the remote's commands. If the door still opens or closes, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire erasing process from the very first step to ensure a complete memory clear. Now that your remote is erased, you might want to reprogram it or a new one. To do this, quickly press and release the Learn button. Within about 30 seconds, press the button on your remote that you wish to program. The opener's light will blink or click, confirming successful programming. This simple process allows you to easily add or re-add remotes to your garage door system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.